The main thing is not being held back by preconceptions. There are so many different roles and ways to develop a career in radiotherapy. I wanted to do something that really mattered and that would stay interesting, and whatever role you might want to have in radiotherapy, you would make a big difference in people's lives.
There is a huge amount of diversity in radiotherapy. There are so many careers that can suit different skill sets and interests. I'd highly recommend getting work experience or a rotation in a radiotherapy department to understand the roles and opportunities within the field. There are also so many career development opportunities. You can make your career your own and specialise in an area that you enjoy. If you're interested in healthcare and are unsure of what you might enjoy, or even if you haven't heard of radiotherapy before, I'd strongly recommend researching and trying to get some experience within a radiotherapy department. There is bound to be a career path that interests you.
My advice would be to definitely do it. The advancing and changing scope for practice for radiographers means that there are far more avenues to explore, more ways to specialise and expand your scope of practice. Recently I've started a master's module, which can be the first step to becoming an advanced radiographer. The rapid developments within radiotherapy have resulted in many different areas that you can specialise in, depending on what you enjoy the most. You can build a career in radiotherapy around what interests you. It's not always an easy career and there may be challenges along the way, but no great success was ever achieved without failure.
My advice would be radiotherapy is a great career with lots of different avenues to train and develop. With the advancements in radiotherapy, there are more and more specialist roles, such as the advanced clinical radiographer role that I'm training for, which can make it a career for life. Radiotherapy can be a complete career, and you can design your career path around your interests, whether it is treatment, planning, review, or research.
Well, it's a good choice. There's a world shortage of engineers across the board. Today, the starting point is a degree in a relevant field. But the most important thing, for me anyway, is an interest in how stuff works. My childhood was all Lego, Meccano, and my bicycle was always in bits, and a spare radio didn't remain a spare radio for very long. Talk to the main leading manufacturers about what they want and do what you need to do to place yourself in their market. Once in, the world is at your feet. It might not be the best paid, but it's been the most rewarding.